and I'm the Director of Primary Recruitment here at ADPI. Some of our exec members, as well as myself, want to show you around our house today. So this is our President Carson, and she's going to show you around the chapter room a little bit.
Hey everyone, like she said, this is our chapter room, and this is where we like to hold different meetings for new member meetings or recruitment meetings, and then we also study in here. So if you look over here, we have a big table where we're all crowd around and do our homework. Okay everyone, I'm going to pass you over to our Vice President Mary Grace now, and she's going to show you a little bit more of the house.
Hey y'all, my name is Mary Grace, and I'm the Vice President of Operations here at ADPI. I'm just going to show you a little bit more of our house, so if you'll follow me this way. So right here we have our craft room where sisters will come and paint banners and just work together on things throughout the school year. And then right here we have our kitchen. We won't be visiting either one of these rooms today. And then down this hall, I'll be passing you off to my sister Camille. She's our social chair.
Hey y'all, I'm Camille. I'm our Vice President of Event Management, and in here we have our dining room, and this is where girls will come and just eat dinner, or they'll spend time doing homework and just bonding with each other throughout the week. So next we're going to go in here with Lauren, our VP of Membership Experience.
Hey y'all, my name is Lauren, and this is our TV room. We like to watch movies in here. We watch The Bachelor and The Bachelorette in here. We have study dates, game nights, anything you can think of. We use it for a lot of things.
Hi guys, my name is Corley. I'm the Vice President of Recruitment and Marketing here at ADPI, and we just want to take a minute to show you what a typical bedroom might look like. This is set up as a single bedroom. Our house manager Abby is still moving in, but we just wanted to let you look and see what a bedroom could look like.
We had so much fun showing you guys around our house today. I really hope you enjoyed it, and we can't wait to meet you guys during recruitment.